Enjoy your breakfast with this delicious smoothie. Our simple green mom's banana and almond butter smoothie may just be our favorite breakfast drink. It is very easy to make and very filling. One big glass of this smoothie and you won't be hungry until lunchtime. You only need a few simple ingredients to make this smoothie. Tastes like bananas, almond milk, almond butter, vanilla, and ice is all it takes. Feel free to use your favorite dairy-free milk. Tastes like coconut milk, soya milk, and oat milk both work well. The healthy fats in the almond butter will give your body an energizing boost. They are also what keeps your belly full. Thanks for watching. Never forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.